Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where an online store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third-party supplier and has it shipped directly to the customer. The process of dropshipping starts with setting up an online store that lists products from suppliers. When a customer orders a product from the online store, the order is forwarded to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The online store only pays the supplier for the product after the customer has paid for it, thus eliminating the need for the store to hold inventory. Dropshipping has become a popular method for entrepreneurs to start an online business, as it requires minimal investment in inventory and reduces the risk of unsold products. However, dropshippers often have less control over product quality and delivery times, and they also need to rely on their suppliers for inventory and shipping. Overall, dropshipping can be a profitable business model if done correctly, but it requires careful selection of suppliers and products, as well as effective marketing strategies to attract customers.